Good morning, students. Now, the next topic is radius of curvature when polar coordinates are given to you. Polar coordinates system means if the given equation is in r in theta, right? Let r is equal to f of theta be a given curve in polar coordinates. Now, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, where r is equal to f of theta. Theta is a parameter. Then the radius of curvature rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by y2. Sir, what is y1? Y1 is nothing but dy by dx. What is y2? D square y by dx square. Now, which is nothing but r square plus r1 square whole to the power of 3 by 2 r square plus 2 r1 square minus r1 r2. Sir, what is r1? Sir, r2. What is r1? R1 is nothing but a differentiation of the given function with respect to theta, f dash of theta. R2 is nothing but second time differentiation, second order partial derivatives. Second order derivatives are f double dash theta. Two times you have to differentiate. Next, radius of curvature when pedal equations are given to you. Rho is equal to r into dr by dp. We will discuss this one later. Now, concentrate. Application. Find the radius of curvature of the curve r is equal to a sin n theta. Here the given equation is in r and theta. That means it is in polar system. Polar coordinates are given to you. If x and y are there, that is called Cartesian coordinate system. Cartesian system. Now given curve is r is equal to a into sin n theta, and the point is at the origin no 0, 0. Now we have to differentiate equation 1 with respect to theta. dr by d theta is equal to a into differentiation of sin n theta is cos n theta into inner function n theta differentiation is n. Now a into n into cos n theta is dr by d theta. Now we have to find dr by d theta at the point 0, 0. Now a into n cos n theta n into 0, a n into 1 is a into 0 is a n into 1 is a n, right? dr by d theta at 0, 0 is a into n. A into n, it is not a suffix n. Okay. Now again we have to differentiate with respect to theta only. D square r by d theta square is equal to a n into differentiation of cos n theta is minus sin n theta. Again differentiation of inner function is n you will get, right? Now d square r by d theta square is n into n is n square, a n square with minus sin n theta, which is nothing but a n minus a n square sin n theta. D square r by d theta square at the point 0, 0 is minus a n square sin n into 0 is equal to 0. Because sin 0 is 0, 0 into something is 0. D square r by d theta square is 0 at the point. Okay. Now what is r value? R value is what? Here r is equal to a into sin theta, no, at 0, 0. R value at 0, 0 is, now theta is equal to 0, sin n theta is 0. That means r value is equal to 0, right? R at 0, 0 is 0. From equation 1 you can say. From equation 1. Now radius of curvature is given by this formula, no? Simply substitute those values. Rho is equal to r value is 0, 0 square is 0. R1 value, what is R1 value? A n whole square means a square n square whole to the power of 3 by 2. R value is 0. R1, what is R1? a n, no, 2 into this square means a square n square. R2 value is also 0, r value is also 0, therefore 0. Now simplify this one, a square n square whole to the power of 3 by 2. That means power gets cancelled, you will get a cube n cube only, or say bring it to the numerator, right? This is x power n by x power m minus n formula, no, right, like that. Now after simplification I am getting a n by 2. Therefore rho is equal to a into n, not a into n by 2. This is radius of curvature when polar coordinates are given to you. or else you can simplify this one like this. This is a n whole square, you can write no, a square n square can be written as a n whole square, right? A square n square whole to the power of 3 by 2, power 2 cancel, numerator becomes a cube n cube, right? By a square n square one time, this is can come, you will get a n, right? A n by 2. This is the radius of curvature when the given system is in polar coordinates. This is the formula, you have to remember this formula, right? Now next one method is next method, Newtonian method. If a curve passes through a origin and the axis of x is a tangent at the origin, then a limit x square by 2y as extends to 0 gives the radius of curvature at the origin. See, this is the different type of problems. Now if the system is in Cartesian coordinates and at the origin, find the radius of curvature at the origin అని చెప్పేసి polynomial iste, then what we have to do, simply we have to find the limit as extends to 0, x square by 2y is nothing but rho. That you have to remember. See, if the y-axis is the tangent, x-axis is the tangent, this is the formula. If y-axis is the tangent from, then rho is equal to limit y tends to 0, y square by 2x, right? అవి x and y ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అవుతాయి, కేర్ఫుల్గా ఉండండి. Next, find the radius of curvature rho at the origin of the curves. చూడండి, this is a polynomial కదా, there are 4 problems are there, everyone is each one is a polynomial, right? Now first of all చూద్దాం, given equation first ఏం చేద్దాం, దీంట్లో second one I am trying. Y is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 8x square at the origin 0 comma 0. See, at the origin అని ఇచ్చాడు. Now here this implies ఈ వైని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసేయండి, ఓన్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ కామా వై, x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 18x square minus y is equal to 0. You call that equation number 1. Both sides dividing by y. Sir, y తో ఎందుకు డివైడ్ చేయాలి సార్ అంటే, because in our formula x square by y is there, no, right? If you apply the limit, then only you will get rho. So that's why మన ఇచ్చిన given equation we have to express in the form of x by something, that something must be y, right? Now see, now x power 4 by y, 4x cube by y minus 18x square by y, y by y is 1. Now this x power 4 can be written as x square into x square, right? Sorry, x cube can be written as, here 4 is constant, we can take it outside, x cube can be written as x into x square. Now 18 constant, x square by 1 minus 1. Now apply the limit as extends to 0, right? Now apply the limit as extends to 0, you can ignore y tends to 0, right? Endukani, because limit as extends to 0, x square by 2y can be written as rho kada, right? This is the formula, remember. We know that limit extends to 0, you can ignore y tends to 0, no, x square by 2y is equal to rho. Now similarly, limit extends to 0, y tends to 0, x square by y unte you will get 2 rho, because 2 is a constant, no, you can take it outside the limit 1 by 2, by cross multiplying you will get 2 rho. Now limit extends to 0, y tends to 0, x square by y is equal to what, 2 into rho. See here, now in this one function we are applying limit, no, limit extends to 0, this is 0, x square by 2y is 2 rho. Now 4x, x value is 0, x square by y is 2 rho, minus 18 into x square by y is 2 rho, constant is limit and as it is you will get. Now see here, simplification, 0 into 2 rho, 4 into 0 into 2 rho, minus 18 into 2 rho, minus 1 is equal to 0. We are applying the limit as x tends to 0, y tends to 0, right? 0 minus here 18 2s are 36 rho minus 1 is equal to 0. Transpose this minus 1 or 36 rho to right hand side, 36 rho is equal to minus 1, right? Rho is equal to minus 1 by 36. Radius of curvature, rho is equal to 1 by 36. Got it? Now See, you have to apply the limit here. If you apply the limit, that means the limit, that step we can ignore. X tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, like that. Now, second problem. Given equation is 3x cube plus y cube plus 5x square plus 3yx square plus 2x is equal to 0. Now, see here, we have to concentrate on this one. The last value is x power is 1 is there, no? Simply you divide by x. If y degree is 1, then you have to divide by y. Now, dividing equation 2 by x, we get 3x square plus y cube by x plus y square by x plus 3yx plus 2 is equal to 0. Now apply the limit. Here the second form we have to apply. What is the second form? If y-axis is the tangent, that means limit y tends to 0, y square by 2x can be written as rho. Okay. Now see here, you apply the limit on both sides. I am separating each term, right? Limit x tends to 0, 3x square, limit x tends to 0, y into y square by x, this one, limit x tends to 0, 5y square by x, and limit 3yx plus limit x tends to 0, 2 is equal to 0. Now if you apply the limit, this 3 into x value is 0, 0. Limit y value is 0. Now limit y square by x is 2 rho, right? Now phi is constant, we can take it outside. Limit y square by x. Limit y square by x can be written as 2 rho, right? Now 3yx, x value is 0, y value is 0, this is 0. Limit of a constant is 2 only, right? Now therefore 5 2s are 10p is equal, 10 rho is plus 2 is equal to 0. Rho is equal to what you will get? Minus 1 by 5. If you take 2 common, what you will get here? 5 rho plus 1 is equal to 0. Rho is equal to minus 1 by 5. Therefore rho is equal to, see here, minus 1 by 5, right? Here limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0, y square by 2x is rho. Limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0, y square by x is equal to 2 rho. Because 1 by 2 is a constant, we can take it outside. 1 by 2 you will get here. If you cross multiplying, you will get 2 rho. Same as in previous case, right? Now fourth problem again. X power 4 plus y power 4 plus x cube minus y cube plus x square minus y square plus y is equal to 0. Here y degree is equal to 1. Therefore throughout the equation you have to divide by y only. Now we are dividing by y, right? Now we are rearranging the terms. X power 4 can be written as x square into x square by y. Now y cube and as it is y cube, x cube by y can be written as x into x square by y square as it is, x square by y as it is, minus y as it is, plus 1 as it is, right? Now what we are doing here, equation 1, we are dividing by y on both sides. Okay, now apply the limit. Limit as x tends to 0, y tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0, x square into x square by y, minus limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0, y cube, second term. Limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0, x into x square by y. Now limit x tends to 0, y square. Limit x tends to 0, x square by y, minus this term. Limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0, y, plus limit x tends to 0, constant 1 is equal to 0. Now simplify this one. You have to apply the limit. That means as x tends to 0 means x plus to 0. 0 whole square into this limit application is 2 rho, right? Minus limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0 means y plus to 0. 0 cube is 0. Similarly this one 0 into 2 rho, 0 into 2 rho, minus limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0 means y value is 0. 0 whole square plus 2 rho. This one limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0, x square by y is 2 rho, minus this one limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0, y value is 0, 0. Now limit of a constant is constant itself 1. Now simplify this one. 2 rho plus 1 is equal to 0. Rho is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore radius of curvature of the given equation or the given curve is rho is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. See last problem. Find the radius of curvature of the cardioid r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta at the pole, or you can say origin. Given equation r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, and the given point is nothing but pole is nothing but origin, that is 0 comma 0. Right. Radius of curvature rho is equal to limit theta tends to 0 r by 2 theta. Same as the previous case. In the case limit as x tends to 0 y tends to 0. If the system is in Cartesian coordinate, x square by manam 2y. Or similarly y square by 2x రాసుకుందాం, that is called rho అన్నాం. If the polar coordinates are given to you, then the radius of curvature rho is equal to limit theta tends to 0 r by 2 theta is equal to rho. Remember this one. Now rho is equal to limit theta tends to 0. What is r here? R is nothing but a into 1 minus cos theta from equation 1 by 2 theta. Simply apply the limit. Before applying the limit using partial fractions, a into 1 is a by 2 theta, a into cos theta by 2 theta. Now limit theta tends to 0, a by 2 theta, right? As theta tends to 0, right? Minus limit theta tends to 0, a into cos theta by 2 theta. This value is equal to 0. This value is also equal to 0. Therefore, rho is equal to 0. It's a direct method. In the 0 by 0, differentiate the numerator and denominator. Sir, if you apply the limit directly, what I am getting here? A by 2 into theta plus 0. A by 0 is not defined. Kada? Right. Here also not defined. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? We have to differentiate the numerator as well as denominator. రైట్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ టర్మ్ ఏమైపోతుంది ఇక్కడ చూడండి, లిమిట్ theta tends to 0, differentiate the numerator. Differentiation of a constant is 0. By differentiation of 2 theta is 2. Right. Now if this entire 0 by 2 is what? Limit theta tends to 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Now if you apply the limit of a constant is 0. Similarly, now you have to differentiate the numerator as well as denominator. ఎందుకని? ఇఫ్ యూ అప్లై ద లిమిట్ సంథింగ్ బై 0 వస్తే విచ్ ఈజ్ ఇండిటర్మినెంట్ ఫామ్, 0 by 0 లేకపోతే సమ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ బై 0, దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఇండిటర్మినెంట్ ఫామ్. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనం? వీ హ్యావ్ టు డిఫరెన్షియేట్ ద న్యూమరేటర్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ద డినామినేటర్. చూడండి, దీని పర్టికులర్ దాన్ని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ఏ ఇంటూ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ సైన్ థీటా ఈజ్ cos theta is sin theta with minus sign by denominator differentiation of 2 theta is 2 into 1. Now you apply the limit as theta tends to 0. Now minus a into sin 0 by 2, sin 0 is 0, 0 by 2 is 0. Therefore 0 minus 0 is 0. Therefore radius of curvature is 0. Right? First one matram homework. హింట్ ఇచ్చాను, డివైడ్ బై ఎక్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ హోంవర్క్. ఆల్టర్నేట్ మెథడ్ కూడా ఇచ్చాను మీకు. ఆల్టర్నేట్ మెథడ్ అంటే మీకు ఇది అర్థం కాకపోతే ఈ మెథడ్లో కూడా చేయొచ్చు అనేది. ఓకే, రైట్. ప్లీజ్ గో త్రూ దిస్ మెథడ్.